Are you ready?
Dress up properly. Welcome to the Fosshotel Reykjavik. Come in, this is our room. Just so you're aware, all the plugs are underneath the bed there. The beds are very comfortable, actually. I'll do the bed test in a minute. This is our view. Nothing special, but it's just buildings. Got TV, recycling, got the hotel directory, tea and coffee facilities are there. Oh god. We got a little fridge in here as well. Got lots of wardrobe space. There is an iron in here as well. There's a safe. Even more storages down there as well. And in here is our bathroom. We've got little toiletries there. Looks like someone's already made little markings in the bath. We've got Eco Spa Treatment Anya as the brand of choice. We've got bath, we've got shower, so we've got conditioning and shampoo. We've got the toilet. We've got a nice bath. I'm gonna be having a bath later on. Got the hairdryer and the shaver thing. But yeah, it's a lovely room. But yeah, that is the Foss Hotel. Alrighty, let's test out these beds, shall we? Ooh, it's a bit hard, but it's very comfortable. Very, very comfortable.